In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a PDF file in PlanSwift. So the first thing you have to do, you want to click on the Home tab up top and then click on New. From here, you have to give your job a title over here, so I'm just going to name it 2 over here, and then the description, of course, you can type in whatever you want. I'm not going to do anything here, and for notes, I'm going to leave this empty as well. And then here, you have to give it a new job location. You have to make sure it's local, and then where it says measurement type, you can leave it as metric. Now, after you've done that, click on Next over here, and then from here, you can browse the folder where you actually have your PDF you would like to add. So click on the Browse button, find it, I have it inside my Downloads folder, so I'm going to just click on OK, and there we go. There's my downloads folder. Now in here you can go ahead and of course find the specific PDF you would like to add. So for example, if I come over here, I do have some random floor plans, so I can just click on over here, and then I can click on this check mark next to it, and then click on next. And then here you can just basically leave it as convert PDF files to TIF, of course, which it says it's recommended. You don't have to do it, but it's recommended, so it's completely up to you. I'm going to leave that on, and I'm going to click on next and then finish, and it's going to start converting, and there we go. Now you have your PDF file inside PlanSwift. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.